like them. It sucks me out to think like them.
Hi guys. Hey, I'm here with April's Luxury Diva. And if you're new here, I'm Deb. And Luxury Diva, they went to bags a couple months ago. Now, if you're new to Luxury Diva, it's kind of a lifestyle box. Sometimes you'll get a full outfit. You get jewelry, makeup, scarves, clothes, accessories, whatever. And it's, if you want to buy a single box, it's $35. But if you want to subscribe, it's $35, or it's $30. Now you can unsubscribe at any time. So logically speaking, I would subscribe, and then if I chose not to get it, then I would just unsubscribe and say that $5. Now, they're always worth over $100. So we shall go, and she always sticks in some little piece of random treat for you, and this time it's little Twizzlers. Oh, there's something else in there. I must do something away. Oh, there's 2 Twizzlers. Okay. And where's my paper? Oh, goodness. So here we go. I have my paper, as you can see. And this time it's valued at $110. So we're just going to start. Okay, these are purple retro fashion sunglasses with case. And they're a $23 value. This is not a case to me. This is a bag. It's not a sunglasses case. But okay. I'm not allowed to complain. Okay. So, this is what they look like. Cute. They're cute. They are cute. They're not $26 cute, and this is not a bag. Just kind of saying. This would not protect these from anything. So, or a case. This is not a case. This is a bag. So, I like the glasses. And I would have been just fine if they just said glasses. But don't say with case if you don't have a case. Because it's not cool. Okay. Now, next we're getting a reversible rain or sun style bucket hat. And that's valued at $20. Okay. This is the bucket hat. And this is the other side of the bucket hat. So you got a choice. You can wear white or white. Am I crazy? Yeah, that's your choice. It's water repellent. And I don't quite understand, because wouldn't water protection help you on either side? I don't. It seems to me that I'm totally confused. I ain't gonna lie. I'm totally confused. And I don't really see a $20 value in that hat. If it was reversible, it would be, you know, because you'd have two hats in one. But you're going to flip it over and look, then you can get the white. I know, I shouldn't complain because, you know, but it's crazy. Oh well, on to the next thing. Okay, now we get double circle and bar earrings. And this is what they look like in the package. Let's see if I can open it. Now, I don't usually have a reaction or anything to their earrings, and I am allergic to nickel, so, and I do usually like their stuff. Usually like their jewelry. But I am a silver girl. They can't deal with that. That's not their problem. But let's see what they look like on. That's what they look like on. They're alright. So that's them. So we'll put those down there. Yeah, they're fine. These are good. How much are they saying they're worth? $20. Okay. And then we have Aztec print kimono sweater. I'm not exactly sure what a kimono sweater is. I have to admit, I don't know what a kimono sweater is. So, oh, it's just basically like this. Which is cute. You know, on them chilly baseball nights, beginning of season. So yeah, I do it. It smells funny. It smells really bad. It needs to air out. But anyway, it's cute. I would wear it. I like it. And that is valued at $35. And it's very, very soft. It is very soft. And lastly, we got Clean Color 2-piece honey lip care set. And that's what that looks like. And they're saying that's a $12 value. But I don't think it is because we've seen it on Temu for less than that. But basically, it's a honey lip balm and a honey lip mask. That's what it is. And they're cute. I mean, they are cute. And I have something similar to this up in my kitchen as decoration. So, I mean, they're cute. That's all I can say is they're cute. And I had them, the other pair I had, this just glued on. And then it was sticking like that in my kitchen on a shelf. But we'll just try them out. This must be the balm because there's nothing in it. People, I'm not real sure. But if you've ever smelled deer pee, we have deer pee again. That's what it smells like. It smells like deer pee. Oh, bad. I would suggest you use that one as decoration too. And it smells really bad. Let's see what this one smells like. Yeah, it does. It smells like deer pee. I'm going to have to wipe that off. It doesn't have a taste to it, thank goodness, because I don't know what deer pee tastes like, but This doesn't have any. I guess it does have a little bit of a. I think I got 3 little grains there. This doesn't have any smell. So you might want to use the so-called mask, but it's really, it only had like 3 little grains of sugar in it. So you could use it for lip gloss too, but I put them in my kitchen. Anyhow, that is Luxury Divas for this month. And I don't know about that. And I don't know about this. I mean, I like the glasses. I do like the glasses. These I pretty well know. No. Nope, not in my lifetime. Get the ones off Temu if you want decoration. And I don't think they smell as bad. So, but that's a $110 value, and it costs $30. Now, I've always liked Luxury Diva better in the summertime than I do in the wintertime. So, I will probably continue this until about September. And then I'll cancel it and go on to something else. So anyhow, yeah, and I do like the earrings. The earrings, I've always liked their jewelry. It wears well, and it looks nice. So anyhow, come on back and join us. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTubey stuff, and become part of our family, because we are growing constantly. And I will put a picture of the new grandbaby, because she's precious. And guess what? She looks like me. Anyhow, come on back and join us. Bye.